What's up, guys? We're reviewing this electric fixed light pistol. As you see, everything is Japanese, which is perfect. This is a good opportunity to learn Japanese. Anyway, they've also provided a few shooting targets, which is pretty nice. I've always need those. All the instructions are in Japanese. Fortunately, there are a lot of pictures. And here is the beauty. So, as I mentioned, this is fixed light. Fixed lights are not really manly, but I don't care about that. The box is pretty damaged during the transportation. I don't know why is that. Probably it's because they added an orange tip, which doesn't really fit the box. So sometimes somebody tried really hard to push it back. It's pretty heavy. And as I mentioned, it's fixed light. The battery you put, like you have to push this button here, so to remove the fixed light. Let's put the battery. Keep in mind, battery doesn't come with this, so you gotta buy it. Additionally. The battery is 500 milliampere nickel metal hydride battery. It's pretty standard for those pistols. This is how you put it. It's pretty easy. This is how you remove it. You can switch between semi and full auto by pressing this. This is full, this is semi-auto. It's pretty nice usage of the otherwise useless cocking mechanism. The safety button is that. This is not safe. It's safe. It comes only with one magazine. This is the magazine. I tried buying an additional once. It didn't really work out. They were not compatible. This is a High-Capa magazine, so you've got to be careful about that. It slides pretty nicely, pretty firmly, and then you can release it easily with the button. Gears are metal in the gearbox. Also, you have a hop-up, which is pretty nice. It's easy to switch. This is just decorative. It has a pretty nice rail system. It's completely enough for different mechanisms. Basically compatible with anything Picatinny. It attaches firmly. Alright, let's test it. There's one thing I don't like about this magazine. I notice from time to time. Maybe it's because it's new, but I notice that sometimes it just doesn't feed well. This thing is made of polymer. Seems pretty sturdy, but don't drop it. I have the habit of dropping my pistols. It's not really healthy. The last one didn't survive, although it was metal. To get a nice footage, we did the following atrocity. Tape the video cam, put a flashlight. Overall, pretty solid suggestion from Tokyo Marui. Apart from the magazine problems I mentioned, which I believe are because the magazine is still new, the gun looks and feels great, so I highly recommend it. След това ревю е наистина полезно, защото аз съм търсил такова ревю точно за този пистолет и не успя да намеря.